Hello Reboot.
Hello Eric. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I want to know something about technology. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. What do you want to know about technology?
First, tell me what technology means.
Technology means the tools and software that make human life easier and more efficient. This includes computers, mobile phones, the internet, and modern machines.
Great. How is technology revolutionizing our lives?
Technology has changed the way we work. Now we can quickly access information, communicate with people far away, and easily perform difficult tasks. Additionally, technology has made significant advancements in medicine, education, agriculture, and industry.
Does technology have any disadvantages?
Yes, like everything else, technology has some drawbacks. For example, personal interaction has decreased, and spending too much time on computers or mobile phones can cause health issues. Furthermore, there are problems related to cybercrime and privacy.
How should we use technology?
We should use technology in moderation. We should use it to make our lives easier, not become dependent on it. It's also important to always take care of our health and personal interactions.
Thank you for your advice, Reboot. You have helped me a lot.
You're welcome, Eric. If you want to know anything more, feel free to ask me.